Bye, guys. Righto, so bet's on. I'm going for your lot.
Oh, done well.
Hey, and it's all because of you, Sunshine.
Pressure's on now.
Mate, with tats like that. and Jackson and Troy, they're the kids, are they?
Nah, my little brother.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Nah, they're the kids there, mate.
As in RIP with your brother?
No, just first ever tattoo. Just, One of those things.
Well, mate, it's good he got to see it before he fell off the perch. Right, good luck, gentlemen.
Right, yeah. Well, we got 10 minutes. 2 minutes.
10 minutes? What are you trying to do, Richard? Kill him, are you? Do you have an ambulance on standby, Graham?
Yeah, we have. We certainly have. We might
Young
know.
fella up the back, he reckons he's quite happy. He gave me an interview.
Yeah, did he?
Yeah. We'll get down here and talk to the other end. Mate, I think the side's letting you down.
What's that?
The rest of your team's letting you down.
We didn't even hear him say go.
There's a problem. So these blokes reckon that they didn't hear the start,
Oh, I'm not sure of that one.
but I don't think they want to go again somehow, Graham.
They probably won't do it again today.
Dave Matthews from Matthews BP Petroleum. He come on board again this year as our major. Dave has handed over quite a substantial amount to be on board and really support us and support the industry as a whole. So a big thanks to Dave from Dave Matthews Petroleum and all our other sponsors. You know, you'll see them up here on the walls, guys. You know. A lot of them aren't even transport affiliated companies, but they're glad to get behind a good community event such as Koroit. So big thank you to those guys. Ladies and gentlemen, there's in excess of $40,000 in cash trophies and prizes here today, and that's testament to this whole committee for what they're able to do and our sponsors and what they're able to provide. And we're very proud to offer up this to all the deserving trophy winners.
I'm going to, just before you photograph, I'm going to do a walkthrough again this time. Look like you're happy. Like, you know, $40,000 worth of prizes you guys have got between you. It's not bad. You know any other truck show that does that? Oh, sorry, sweetheart.
Well, we got another one coming in. Get in there.
Got the latecomer.
Hey, winner. Yeah, stand up a bit so I can see your face. Yeah, a little bit. Hey, Frankie.